Hey everyone, so I'm about to show you how United Roofing, one of our clients, is using Datagran for all of their internal software. So there's several things that they use in Datagran. So I'm just gonna walk you through some of them. Here I am in their workspace, and I'm just gonna click here on data workflows to show you some of the pipelines that they've built. So, for example, I'm just going to go here into sales data from scratch, and this is one of the biggest pipelines that they have built so far. As you can see, is huge, and basically they're bringing their data from different sources. One of those sources is their CRM, and then they start transforming all of their data in here. Basically, at this point, they're using Datagran for three main things. The first one is sales analytics. The second one is training, and the third one is key indicators on how the company is doing, like efficiency, among others. So basically the first thing that they needed to do is, again, like transform and model all of that data so that they can start either sending it to different tools, or even making their own internal software so that the different teams can access that data, right? So this was the first step, and they used our integrations, and of course they used our different operators to transform that data from the code operator to SQLs to even the NLP operator. Okay, so once that was done, they started enabling a lot of things. So if I go back here to bots, as you can see, they have several bots enabled, from Slack bots to custom bots. So let's go first to the custom bot. So for example, this is one bot that they have. It's a custom bot. Look at all the questions that they ask. And one of the things that they do is they uploaded a file so that the bot understands how to process their data. And at the same time, we can see here that they selected a specific pipeline and a specific operator so that the bot has only access to that specific data. Why is that important? So now I'm just going to switch into this app. This is an app that they built for their sales team. And basically, it's like a chat GPT app, but in this tab, which is called AI Chat, users can ask any question to this bot, which is amazing, regarding their sales. So, for example, I can tap on this popular query, and it's thinking, and boom, it instantly brings the sales data for that year for the specific salesperson. So again, this is one of the internal software that they built for their sales teams, based on all the power that Datagran has. So this is one thing. Now, they didn't only build this app; they also built this software, where salespeople can go into their this platform, and they can request their commissions payments, based on all the data that Datagran is processing. So basically, Datagran is telling this software, hey, this salesperson has this commission available. He can request that commission. And then they can go into each one of these jobs, and it tells like all the details, how much that salesperson can get from that specific job, among others. So this is the second software that they built, the second internal software they built based on Datagran's APIs. Okay. Now, the third thing that they built is the Slack bot. As I mentioned, if I go back here to bots, they have these bot enabled as well. And basically what it does, I'm going to switch screens here. It's sending alerts all the time to different channels, but not only that, they can ask questions in natural language. So for example, this is directors alerts, where they receive every single day the performance of each one of the cities that they have. But not only that, like specific salespeople have their different metrics, and all the managers of these salesperson are in these channels, so this person can know how far is he away from his goals, how much of the jobs have been invoiced but they haven't received the money, if each of the job is profitable or not, among others. So really cool way to get like each one of his managers involved and maintain the salespeople informed. Also, they built this channel called Hive AI. As you can see, Laureano is the CFO, and he's asking, "Hey, what are the values of United?" And the bot here immediately answers, "What are the values?" And one of the coolest things about this is that this is connected to all of their data, and the way that they did it was to connect this to their Notion. So I'm just going to switch here to the Notion that they have so that you can see how this works. So I'm just going to change again my screen. I tried to have everything in the same screen, but it was kind of hard to do that. So I'm sharing the screen now. As you can see, this is their Notion, and they have multiple dashboards here. But I'm gonna go specifically to the what they call the AI brain from United. And here are all the documents that they have connected to the bot. So in Datagram, you can either upload files or you can connect your Notion. So in this case, what you need to do is once you create a bot in the training section, you just connect your Notion and select all the pages that you want to connect. So they can update all of these information, and the bot will have that latest information, which is extremely cool. Now, let me switch to the different dashboards that they have, again, based on all of their workflows that they have that I showed you at the beginning. They're starting to embed charts as well in Notion. For them, it's just easier than doing a Tableau or Looker dashboard. So for example, if I go to these leads analytics tab, they can see, for example, specifically for office jobs, how they're performing with those jobs. And they have, again, multiple charts that they can see. But not only that, they started measuring the efficiency of the company. This is only for the directors of the company, where they have different metrics like NPS, among many more. This is a world-class company in terms of customer service. I think it's a great example for many other companies. But this is just like a very quick view of all the things that companies can do in terms of internal software, and how can Datagram power all of these internal software extremely easy. And not only that, with AI embedded with them. Soon they're going to be building some apps so that they can start interacting with those apps. But what they've been building around Datagram is just monstrous in terms of the amount of things that they have right now. Hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any questions.